We're gonna play hard, play smart, and have fun, baby. That's what it's about.
Best part about it is we're running when we get stopped. Great push, great driving kick, play with pace.
Michael Porter Jr., dribble drive.
Hey, we get stops. We got to finish.
Durant inside. And a nice backdoor cut pass from Blake Griffin.
C.J. McCollum right down the boulevard.
Man, I tell you what, man, he scores so easy.
Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Here you go. Good job, y'all.
Look to throw it up. If you can advance it, throw it up. Yeah.
Here comes Young, lobbing inside to Capella.
Let it loose. We got nothing to lose. Let's let that thing go.
Pass inside to Curry. Curry draws a foul. Shot's good. And one.
Here we come, right? Here we come. Stops, rim protection, and then we get out and run on the break.
Caruso on the drive. Inside Davis for the slam.
Hey, we're settling. Okay, attack the basket. Attack the basket on these guys.
Bogdanovich floats it up and in.
That silences the crowd.
Run with it. We're going to get open threes, open layups. Attack with force.
4 to shoot. Morant makes his move, spins in the paint, turns, puts it up, puts it in. John Morant knocks it down.